Hi friends, this is Anshuman Das and let's go through the current affairs question of 8 June 2021. First question is recently which digital platform has suspended Donald Trump account for next 2 years? So it's a Facebook. Mr. Trump said the move was an insult to the million who voted for him in last year's presidential election. Okay. Next is, so if I talk about for Facebook, founded in 2004, headquarters in California, USA, CEO is Mark Zuckerberg. Which country is the global host for World Environment Day 2021? It's a Pakistan. World Environment Day is in 5th of June. Theme is ecosystem restoration. Okay. Recently, NASA has announced two missions to study which planet. So it's a Venus. Mission name is Davnik Veritas. Okay, the two ambitious missions will launch between 2028 and to 2030. NASA formed in 1958. Headquarters is in Washington D.C. Venus, second planet from the Sun, Venus does not have any moon, Earth's twins, because of the similarities in their masses, size, and densities. Morning star, evening star. So this is also known to the Venus, hottest planet in our solar system. Okay, it is the hottest planet in our solar system. So point to be noted, my beloved. Okay, when was the foundation day of BIMSTEC celebrated? So it's the 6th of June. BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Initially, it was formed with four member states with the acronym BISTEC, BISTEC, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. Economic Cooperation in June 6, 1997. BIM, BIMSTEC EC in 1997, following the inclusion of Myanmar, with the admission of Nepal and Bhutan in 2004. The name of the grouping was BIMSTEC. Out of the seven members, five are from South Africa, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, South Asia, Nepal, Sri Lanka. Two are from Southeast Asia, that is Myanmar and Thailand. Okay. Recently, who has stopped Delhi government Ghar Ghar Rasan scheme? It's a central government. It was stopped on the basis that its approval was not sought before implementation. Okay. So recently, Ramona Reserve Forest in Kakrajhar district has been upgraded to the sixth national park of which state? It's in Assam. So very big development that Kakrajhar district has been upgraded to the sixth national park of the state. Okay, the five national park in Assam are Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri National Park, Orang National Park, and Dibru-Sakhova National Park. Okay. If I talk about Assam, capital is Dispur, CM is Himanta Bishwa Sarma, then governor is Jagdish Mukhi, then there is a Kamakhya temple, O Umangabad Devaloi, then Navagarh temple. Okay, then which state government has launched Jahan vote vaccination campaign? It's Delhi. Under this campaign, people above 45 years of age will be provided vaccine at the places where they voted during the election. During this campaign, booth level officers will go door to door to provide vaccination slot to people above 45 years of age. Which state's chief minister announced the formation of Oxyvan? It's Haryana. In this, Panchvati, Bal, Amla, Ashok, Banyan, and People tree were planted in Karnal district. It will be built in the area of 80 acres. Haryana government launched four important schemes like Pran Vayu Devta pension scheme, then Oxyvan in Karnal, Oxyvan in Panchkula, then Panchvati pen plantation. Okay, then National Green Tribunal has approved the Vishwamitra River project of which state? It's Gujarat. The NGT has observed that the Vishwamitra River in Vadodara is among the 351 polluted river stretches identified by the Central Pollution Control Board, Gujarat. Capital is Gandhinagar, CM is Vijay Rupani, Governor is Acharya Devrat. National Green Tribunal in 2010, headquarters is in New Delhi. Chairperson is Adarsh Kumar Goyal, who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Air of the Indian Air Force. It's V.R. Chaudhary. It's Rathod, something I read. And then Air Chief Marshal RKS Badoria. Then Air Force Day is in 8th October according to RBI recent monetary policy. What is the current repo rate? It's a 4.0%. Reserve repo rate is 3.35%. Okay, reserve repo rate is the rate in which RBI give loan to the bank, and reverse repo rate is when the bank will give loan to the RBI. Okay, this is very simple step. Repo rate is the rate at which the central government of the country, that is Reserve Bank of India, in case of India, lends money to commercial bank in the event of any shortfall of fund. Reserve repo rate is when the RBI borrows money from banks when there is excess liquidity in the market. The bank benefit out of it by reserving interest. RBI established one established in 1 April 1935. Headquarters in Mumbai. Governor is Shakti Kanta Das. Then Deputy Governor is T. Ravi Shankar, M. Rajeshwar Rao, Dr. M. D. Patra, K. M. Jain. So with this, I would just like to thank you very much for having attention um, in this episode, and have a nice day. Goodbye. Good night.